5 signs that it is time to replace your windows. A broken pane, loose caulking or other minor issues are often simple to repair. More serious types of damage usually require a full replacement. New windows should last 20 years or more, provided they are made from quality materials. An upgraded frame and blemish-free glass increases the curb appeal and value of your home. Watching out for these 5 signs of a major window problem lets you know when to start planning for a replacement. Number 1. Condensation builds up inside. Foggy windows ruin your view. They are also a big sign that something is seriously wrong. Double and triple pane windows have a sealed space between the panes that is filled with air or gas, such as argon. If the seal breaks, the window no longer has its insulating properties, which is why you see the fog building up. Depending upon the type of window you have on your home, replacement might be your only option in this situation. Number 2. Broken faux grills. The lines inside of multi-paned windows are purely aesthetic. They can also fall out of their places as the windows age or are exposed to major temperature changes. Technically, you can leave them this way, but the problem is visible from both inside and outside of your house. Some HOAs prohibit broken grills that can be seen from the street. To fix a grill, we would have to break the seal. This is why we typically recommend replacing the window. Number 3. Major damage to the frames. Old wooden frames tend to crack and warp in over time. Metal frames tend to deteriorate more slowly, but they can still get dents and bends in them that interfere with functioning. Newer frame models come in materials such as aluminum, vinyl and fiberglass. These options are more energy efficient and less likely to break. If you love the look of wooden frames, then you can still find ones that look like natural wood and give you the benefit of greater durability. Number 4. Feeling hot or cold to touch. Windows that change temperature along with the weather are likely poorly insulated. This is common with older single-pane styles. If the windows lack insulation, then you might also notice high utility bills compared to your neighbors or from when you first moved into your house. Updated units are designed to provide insulation that will make the glass from the inside feel similar to the temperature inside of your home. Number 5. Drafts and water leaks. One of the primary purposes of a window is to keep the outside air and water where it belongs. A window that begins to leak has a broken seal somewhere along the perimeter. Drafts are uncomfortable when you are sitting nearby. They can also run up your heating and cooling costs. Water leaks can lead to more damage around the frame and windowsill. Sometimes, you can patch up these leaks with weather stripping or caulking. Once the leak gets bad enough, this will no longer work. A replacement instantly fixes the problem and restores the comfort of your property. Energy-efficient windows. Window replacements are a great time to explore new options that provide benefits such as energy efficiency and more durable materials. During your consultation, share what features matter the most to you. Our technicians will walk you through all of your options to find a replacement that fits your preferences and boosts your home's curb appeal. Raben Glass has over 40 years of experience in the residential and commercial glass industry. We are bonded and insured, and our work and products are guaranteed.